Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got over Jurassic World Blu-ray unboxing. And first I'm going to be doing the recent Jurassic World movie called Jurassic World Rebirth. Now for him, this is for the advancing new saga or something for the Jurassic franchise. And this is the 7th Jurassic Park movie, and it's also the 4th Jurassic World movie. We got the main characters on the front of the case, along with a new mutant dinosaur, the D-Rex, with its big gorilla like hand right here. You can see a little bit of it right up here with its mouth open. We also got the back of the case with some of the scenes from the movie. And I will be doing my spoiler review here for this movie soon. And here it says a new era is born. Also comes with bonus features. And here's one of the new dinosaurs. As that is not a mutant. Right over here. And if you enjoyed today's Jurassic World Rebirth Blu-ray unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified of when new videos upload to the channel. And share this video with everybody know. And first things first, just going to take it out of the slip cover first. And this is what it looks like without the slip cover. Now I'm going to use the scissors to cut the plastic. And then be opening up the Blu-ray case to see what the Blu-ray looks like on the inside of the Blu-ray case. Now the plastic is off, let's take a look on the inside. And this is what it looks like for the Jurassic World Rebirth Blu-ray disc, which is kind of similar to some previous Blu-ray and DVD discs for the Jurassic movies. And that is going to be it for today. With Jurassic World Rebirth Blu-ray unboxing. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell when new. And more videos will be coming to the channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next day video. And peace.